So this is the bajillionth time that I've made some custom candles and custom wine labels. My cousin's dog recently died, like in the past week, and then 3 days before that my brother's wife's cat also died. So I just wanted to make a little, kind of like a comfort basket, but like not like an actual basket, because they have like their own type of decor and design, and I want to give stuff that are edible and usable. And then the other day I dropped off some Chick-fil-A for my bro and his wife, so just another little thing for them. So this is me just customizing. I use canva.com non-spawn, but this is just like a quick overview of what I do. I just customize the label to the inches that work for me for the wine bottle and the candle. This is a template that I've made before with like the background and everything, and honestly I just used the same one and changed out what the flavor is and the bottom customization of like who it's for. And if I had to change the wine content, the alcohol content, then I'll do that as well. But otherwise, this is my go-to. And so with this one, it wasn't a background, it was like different brush strokes that I just added myself. So it wasn't a background that I put the images on. I had to create background, so everything was made by hand. And then these are like the final PNG links that I had to print out. And so easy peasy, just take some wine bottles and some candles. The 14.5 is like the size you get at Bath and Body Works, but I had purchased them from Aldi's. And I just have some packs of like tea and coffee and other chocolate, like different like exotic flavors. I'm putting them in a cellophane wrap, makes it like all nice and put together. But if you're not into like plastic and like wasting it, like I reuse stuff, so that's my thing. But I had everything, all those stickers printed by my brother from his company. It's upwardsigns.com. Ask for Urban ERBIN. If you want to order something online or if you're local in Virginia. But I liked how these turned out. Again, it's just something like when you're older, you could just buy stuff on your own. So like it's nice and thoughtful to like give to people when they're not expecting it. So I ended up wrapping these stuff again just to be safe, since everything's fragile.